Good morning, Dave and Jane. Welcome to Mantis Partners. Good to see you both. How can I assist you today?
Good morning, Josh. Our friend recommended you as an SMSF specialist. We've been hearing a lot about SMSFs, but we're not sure what they are. Can you explain?
Of course. An SMSF, or self-managed super fund, is a type of superannuation fund that you manage yourself. It lets you control your retirement savings and make your own investment decisions.
How is it different from other superannuation funds?
The main difference is control. With an SMSF, you are the trustee and decide where to invest your super. This could include property, shares, and other assets. Traditional super funds are managed by professional fund managers.
Who can set up an SMSF?
Any Australian resident can set up an SMSF, but it requires a commitment to managing your own super. People who set up SMSFs usually want more control over their retirement savings and are ready to handle compliance and reporting.
What responsibilities come with managing an SMSF?
As trustees, you need to ensure your SMSF complies with superannuation and tax laws. This includes keeping detailed records, submitting annual returns, conducting annual audits, and maintaining the fund's investment strategy. You must also keep your personal assets separate from the fund's assets.
Are SMSFs expensive to run?
Costs can vary. You'll need to pay for setting up the SMSF, annual audits, accounting, and possibly financial advice. While these costs can be higher than traditional super funds, the benefits of control and potentially lower investment costs can outweigh them for some people.
Can we invest in property with our SMSF?
Yes, you can invest in property through your SMSF. There are specific rules to follow, like ensuring the property is for investment purposes and not personal use. If you're borrowing to buy property, it must be through a limited recourse borrowing arrangement.
What are the advantages of investing in property with an SMSF?
Investing in property through an SMSF can diversify your portfolio and offer potential capital growth and rental income. It also has tax advantages, as rental income and capital gains may be taxed at a lower rate within the super fund.
Are there any risks?
Yes. Like all investments, property carries risks. These include market fluctuations, property maintenance costs, and potential liquidity issues if you need to sell the property quickly. It's important to have a diversified investment strategy to manage these risks.
What happens if we decide to wind up the SMSF?
Winding up an SMSF involves selling the fund's assets, paying out member benefits, and completing final reporting and audits. It can be complex, so professional assistance is often advisable.
How do we know if an SMSF is right for us?
It's a significant decision. An SMSF can be very rewarding for those who want control and are willing to take on the responsibilities. Luckily, you are in the right hands. As SMSF specialists, Mantis Partners can help you assess these factors and guide you through every step, ensuring your SMSF is compliant and effective for your needs.
How can you help us with our SMSF journey?
As SMSF specialist advisors and accountants, we, Mantis Partners, assist you throughout the entire journey of your SMSF. From the initial setup, ensuring compliance, managing investments, and even winding up the fund if necessary, we are here to provide expert guidance and support every step of the way.
Thank you. This has been very helpful. What should we do next?
You're welcome. The next step is to book an appointment with one of our SMSF specialist advisors and accountants. They will guide you through the setup and management processes.
How much does the initial consultation cost?
Our initial 45-minute consultation is free if you proceed with full SMSF personal advice or set up your SMSF with us. If not, it will cost $330 plus GST. Even if you decide not to proceed, or we suggest an SMSF might not be suitable for you, you'll receive valuable advice that can benefit your retirement savings. This way, you get the right advice from the right professionals at a comparatively lower cost. The information provided in this video is intended to be general in nature and does not constitute personal financial advice. The content is factual information only and should not be considered financial advice. It does not take into account your objectives, financial situation, or needs. Before acting on any information, we recommend that you consider whether it is appropriate for your circumstances and seek advice from Mantis Partners or another qualified financial advisor if necessary. If you wish to know more, please contact us. Call us on 02 8605 9798. WhatsApp us on 0452 283 875. Email us at smsf@mantispartners.com.au. Visit us on mantispartners.com.au. Meet us in person at Suite 34-6, Meridian PL, Bella Vista 2153.